honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I will be unboxing and demonstrating how to use the HadinEEon automatic foam soap dispenser. Okay. I had one of these. It wasn't this brand. This is a good brand. I had one before and it's stopped working properly. I had it in my bathroom and I went in there and the stuff had went crazy. It was just foam, foamy soap all over the place. And nobody was in there messing with it. So I sent it back to Amazon. But it wasn't this brand. So this is the HadinEEon brand. And I have quite a few products from HadinEEon. So I've already taken it out of the box. I've read the instructions. Comes with the instruction manual. Facts card, 3-year warranty. Like a troubleshooting card. If it doesn't work, it tells you what to do. And it has lucky gift card. I didn't really read it, so you do something and you'll get a gift. So I haven't read this. But if you buy it, then you can read it. Okay. So I had previously put some Dawn dishwashing liquid in it because I was going to keep it in the kitchen. But I changed my mind. I want it in my bathroom. Because people who live here, they tell stuff. I ain't calling no names. But anyway, I had emptied the Dawn out. And I'm going to put some hand soap in it. But first I'm going to show you how to open it up. So this is how it looks. Ain't this pretty? It looks like stainless, but it's plastic, but it's pretty. And it will go with any decor. So this is how you open it. Turn it counterclockwise. Like I said, I had stuff in it, so it may be wet. It is wet. And this is how you put the batteries in. It takes 4 AAA batteries. Oh, it still got some soap residue in here. That's the way it looks. Look. And to shut it off, you press this button on the top. It's a button on the top. It will light up. Let me see. Oh, it's shut off now. I'm going to turn it on. This is a mess, ain't it? Let me clean this off. I want y'all to see that it does work. Y'all see this foam? Well, that's the kind of foaming action you're going to get. And I'm not going to open up this battery compartment now because I don't want nothing in to get wet. So let me dry this off. I turned it back on when I wiped the top off. Just press the top and that'll turn it off. I don't know if y'all saw the light flash or not. I don't want to waste soap either. Y'all know me, I don't like to waste nothing. Okay. Don't get this battery compartment wet. Then it won't work. Okay. I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix up my soap. You can use regular foaming soap, or you can use regular hand soap, but you're going to have to dilute it with water, like I always do anyway with everything. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use some Jergens. Just regular Jergens you get from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to mix it with the Juicy Orange Suave. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I already got some water out of my fountain because I don't use my tap water because it's hard water and that'll mess this thing up. Okay, I find that for something like this, it's best to just mix the soap mixture first and then pour it in here. That's where you pour it. And it has a little window so you can see how much you got in there, and it has a clear bottom. I forgot how many ounces this holds. But anyway, this is 6 ounces. This is 6 ounces of water I got in here. I'm going to mix up my soap. There's only a little in here. I'm going to whisk it and see the consistency of it, and we're going to see if it's going to work or not. And if you use a real thick soap or shampoo, you really have to dilute it, else it won't come out. It's not recommended to put hand sanitizer or lotion or anything like that in here. It's for soap. I think I need a little more soap. I'm going to use some of this. It's just a little of this left too. Oops. That may be a little too much. And stir it up. I usually just like this. Anytime you have a top like this, that's a foaming top. So I just mix my stuff in here, put the soap in here, then I put the water in and shake it up good, and it works. But because I can't shake this up, I'm doing it this way. Be careful not to overfill it. That's what I'm checking. Like I said, this was about 6 ounces of water I had in here. A little more. So, it takes 6 ounces. It's got the foam in here. So, this is where I reassemble it. It has like locks and grooves and slots and things. So you want the spout to be over this glass area. I mean the clear area, because the whole thing is plastic. Okay, I got to turn it this way so I can see what I'm doing. So I ain't working blind. Okay, no, it's not on there good. Make sure it's on there good. This has to be down on here good, and it's not right now. Don't force nothing. Just keep on till you get it right. Okay, everything is nice and flat. Okay, we're gonna see how it works. Move this out the way. I'm gonna press this this little, you'll see this on the top. I press that and it's supposed to light up. Did y'all see it flash? Now we're gonna see. Okay, got to get started. I don't want to touch no more soap. Okay. One more time. So we see it good. See? So all you need is one foam. It dispenses enough for one hand wash. So this going in my bathroom, y'all. And it smells good. And you actually use less soap when you do this. So, this is my demonstration for the HadinEEon foaming soap dispenser. Just a minute, clean my hands. Okay, so that's my demo for the HadinEEon foaming soap dispenser. I'm going to turn it off. I don't want the soap to come out. I didn't see the light come out. Okay, it did. But it works. Up! Up! It works, y'all. I thought I turned it off. But I didn't see the light. I'm glad it's soap, so it's easy to clean off the floor. Okay, here we go again. I'm going to turn this off by pressing this button. Just tapping it lightly. I didn't see the light. Okay, now it's on. Okay, it's off. I can get that off of there. But it's very nice, and you can see the level through the glass indicator thingamajig. Plus the bottom of it is clear. Okay. So I like this a lot. Like I said, I had one once before. That thing made me mad. Okay. So I'll keep y'all posted on how it's behaving. So, let me get a thumbnail. And the name is on it. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And look for the link for this in my description box. Okay, it's the HadinEEon automatic foam soap dispenser. And it works. It has 3-year warranty. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.